How to enable battery saver mode on your Nothing phone. This tutorial shows you how to extend your battery life when it's running low. First, open Settings. Tap Battery. After that, tap Battery Saver. From there, toggle it on. At this point, a pop-up may appear explaining what changes while it's active. In the next step, tap Turn On to confirm, if prompted. Following this, scroll down to see if a Turn On Automatically option is available. Once done, set a battery percentage, like 15% or 20%, if you want it to activate on its own. Keep in mind, Battery Saver limits background activity and reduces performance slightly to help your charge last longer. Finally, check the status bar for the Battery Saver icon to confirm it's active. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable Battery Saver mode on your Nothing phone, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.